Welcome back everyone to Marathon Arena Adventures. I'm admin 1 of NEFX. Today we are on, looks like it's Lichas, I think that's how you pronounce it, by Richard Bushey from January 29th, 1996. See how many levels there are. Yep, it's the one. Looks like it's called Lichas pour le viande rouge. I suppose that's some sort of French phrase. I'm not sure what that translates as. Maybe I'll check it out later. So this is kind of out here. It's kind of halfway submerged. Points were something like you can sink below. I guess they're marked by the dimmer shading. But where are the bots? I'm pretty sure I saw the script activated, so okay, here's some. I guess they're stuck in the water. So I imagine there are like a bunch of spawn points in this level, and due to some sort of glitch with the liquid, they're kind of stuck in one spot. That one didn't seem to be moving much, if at all. Yeah, they're just standing there, that's why. Huh. Guess that one just went right over his head, but it's dead now anyway. This is pretty cool. I do like this sort of idea of a level that's kind of half underwater, half not. We can still get out of it, but we have to get it out of it at the right spots, and it's basically easy at any given moment to be underwater or above water. I don't know what happened there. Interesting use of kind of ample shield capsules. Also kind of interesting that there's a hub with, looks like, more than one spawn point. There's still teleporters all around. I feel like I want to take the time to explore more of this area. Did that one kill itself? I think it might just have. Kill, doesn't happen often. So it's like multiple hubs connected together. Very interesting. I wonder if there's like a switch that lowers or raises the liquid at all. Can't seem to get up here. Wait, here we go. Maybe. Interesting, so it's like you have to kind of go around and find the right spots to come up through to reach parts like this. Also interesting use of the transparent walls, basically. Those lattice barriers. Alright, well that's pretty interesting. Thanks for watching, and next time on Marathon Arena Adventures. Actually, wait. There's physics too. Let's see what happens if we try different physics. Well, won't be able to do a bot match that way, but we'll just check it out anyway. See what happens. Maybe that's somehow connected with the liquid. Here we are. Okay, yeah, at least there's some aliens. What the hell? Yeah, I need to set the default shapes. That was kind of funny though. So, faster ticks. Let's see what all these weapons do. Can you weapon for this one? I don't know if any of these weapons have been changed at all. Can you shoot them underwater or anything? Yep, you can shoot a pistol underwater. Okay. The rockets too. Okay, interesting. this is a very interestingly designed level. It's one of the more interesting ones in my opinion. But I think that's it. So anyway, yes. Next time on Marathon Arena Adventures, we will cover... Set this back to default. Rage in something. Maybe it'll say a level name. I might use the level cheat. Ragin' and Toolin'. That's what we'll play next. Until then, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.